people, back with another video. You know what it's about? It's about these beautiful ginger fall inspired locks. So if you would like to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, here you guys. So this is my braiding pattern. I just got it, it's not really braids right here. I just have rubber bands around it, and then it's connected to the next one, and then I have cornrows going down the back. So I saw this in somebody else's video that did Butterflylocs, and I thought that it was a good idea. Instead of just, you know, straight cornrow in my hair, I thought that this would be a good alternative to that. And these are the Butterflylocs. Now it came with a crochet needle. And this is the loop. Yeah, it's just kind of hard pulling the hair through. So what I would suggest is probably just cornrolling your hair instead of doing the rubber band method if you get this kind of hair. So obviously you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video, and I'll be back to you guys.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the boat all night, working the middle. I wanna ride the boat all night, working the middle. I wanna so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you I wanna all night, say it, I wanna all night. Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will, come through and chill.
Okay, you guys, so this is just me saying that I used 3 packs. And what I found out by doing this tutorial, that when I started off, I was doing it kind of like the wrong way. So the best way to do this is when you crochet it through, do not try to pull the whole butterfly lock through the cornrow or the braid. Just pull through the loop and take the end, the very end, the curly part of the butterfly lock, and pull that through. Do not try to pull the whole butterfly lock through the cornrow.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna
ride all night. Work it in the middle.
I wanna
all night. Work it in the middle. Work it in the middle. Ooh, baby,
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you
You guys, so I am done installing the locks. I used all 6 packs that I had, and I'm just going to do some baby hairs. So I'm not going to hold you guys. This is a little heavy. I really do love the color of it. It was easy to install. My tip for you is do not try to pull the whole lock through your braid or your cornrow. Just pull the loop through and just grab the end of the crochet braid, the crochet lock, and just pull that through. Do not try to pull the whole butterfly lock through your cornrow, because that's where I was having like a hard time on this side. Like my very first one, I kind of stretched out, if you can see, I kind of stretched out my little connective that I had right here, my braid that I had right here, because I was trying to pull the whole lock through instead of just pulling through the loop, taking the end and just pulling the end of the lock through the loop. So my review for this hair is the fact that I like the hair, I really do. The ends, I love the curly ends. I just wish that they would have used like a more silkier hair, because you can tell like over time, this seems like it's like Kanekalon hair, like the braiding hair. You can tell over time that it's going to either mat or get really tangled. You could tell that just by the touch of it. It's just like a rougher texture hair, but I do love the lock. They were, like I said, they was easy to install. They give you 6 packs. I'm gonna put the information of how many packs and how many actual strands is in each pack on the screen, like right here. And yeah, like it was easy to install. I would say I probably would have needed more to kind of fill in the back of my hair. I know that was like a complaint in the reviews of the actual the reviews of the locks or whatever on Amazon, is that people felt like they needed probably like one more pack. Like one more pack would have been wonderful. But I don't like a real full head. Like this is enough for me. Like it's actually, like I said, it's weighing me down a little bit. So this is enough for me. I just probably should have put more in the back instead of where I put them at. Yeah, or maybe did lesser cornrows. Lesser cornrows also would have helped that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some baby hairs. And I'm using Eco Styler gel. So I'm using Eco Styler gel, and I'm using my edge booster. These work wonders for me. Like I have a lot of edge controls that just did not hold my hair all the way, but this I find to hold my hair very good, like this combination. Okay, you guys, so while I was doing my edges, I'm sorry that I didn't record much of it, but while I was doing it, I realized that my foundation was kind of mixing with the gel and stuff and the edge control that I was putting on. So I did it off camera. I did the rest off camera just because it just was doing too much, and I realized I should have put my makeup on after my final look. As you can see, it's kind of like mixing in with my foundation. So I'll be back at the end. Alright, you guys, so this is my final look. As you can see, it's really full. This is where it comes on my back, like the top of my butt. Did my edges a little bit. So like I said, I will leave the link down below for the Amazon store. But yeah, so the package, it arrived in this bag inside of an Amazon box, of course. In this bag, it came with, like I said, 6 packs of the Locs. 6 packs of the Locs. Sorry, I was cutting the TV off. It came with 6 packs of the Locs. It came with like these rubber bands, and then it came with your own crochet needle. So if you don't have one, then don't worry about having to get one, because it comes with one, which is perfect because I did not feel like trying to find mine. But I'm absolutely in love, guys. Like, look at this look. Like, this is given, okay? This is given. Like, I love the color. It's perfect for fall. This is a perfect color for fall. I was like, when they sent me this hair, I was like, yes, baby, yes. Yes, this is perfect. It's a quick hairstyle for you guys to achieve. And it's minimal time. What it took me like an hour, 2 hours at the most. Usually with crochet, it's usually your braiding pattern that actually takes the length of time. But yeah, I'm happy with the look, you guys. Definitely go, my necklace came off, but definitely go check out the Amazon store. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down below, and see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.